All right, everyone, I got a new bag in here. We're gonna unbox it. See that? Here you go. Just gonna do this quick, nice and easy. Are you ready, guys? This is the new Kiss Lock in Black Currant. Oh my god, I am obsessed. Look how beautiful that glove tan leather is. Soft. Super soft and buttery. Yes, and the gold hardware. The entire interior as well is in leather. It has one zip pocket on one side, and the entire bag has tons of room to carry everything you have. But this is a must-have. With this signature sound, the Kiss Lock. Love you.